finished some canyoning and had a little close call with the GoPro. Did a cliff jump. Came up, GoPro didn't, and it was a few minutes of panic.
Sunk to the bottom of the gorge.
Our guide recovered it. Oh man, was I thankful. Oh my gosh, no way!
Yeah. So the GoPro's a little bit nervous right now because it's in a gorge for the first time since that happened. And we're gonna hold it extra tight this time.
Fire and ice. This love is like fire and ice. This love is like rain and blue skies. This love is like sun on the rise. This love got me rolling the dice. Don't let me lose. Still falling for you. Still falling for you. Beautiful mind. Your heart got a story with mine. Your heart got me hurting at times. Your heart gave me new kind of highs. Your heart got me feeling so fine. So what to do? Still falling for you. Still falling for you. It took us a while. With every breath a new day. With love on the line. We've had our share of mistakes. But all your flaws and scars are mine. Still falling for you. Still falling for you. And just like that, all I breathe, all I feel, you are all for me. I'm in. And just like that, all I breathe, all I feel, you are all for me. No one can lift me, catch me the way that you do. I'm still falling for you.
I've never done this in my life, and it shows. How am I doing, honey?
You're doing so good, my love.
Yeah. Romance. It's in the air. Should I sing? I feel like I should sing.
Please don't.
Should I serenade my wife as I row her around this lake?
You give me a kiss.
Oh, that's that. No, that's not how you paddle. Forward and then.
But, oh, I need to turn around. That's the issue.
Look at this flat paddle over here. No wonder we're not getting any momentum.
Okay, I understand now.
All right,
We're
you're
improving.
looking good.
So the right arm is stronger than the left arm. That's my issue. That's why we go in circles.
No, I think it had something to do with that paddle.
Oh.
Oh, that's
better.
smooth sailing right now.
Oh, wait, this is going much better than last time.
Yes.
I do think my paddle on the left may have been facing the wrong way.
I think that is a contributing factor, yes.
Oh, we're cruising now.
And just like that, all I breathe, all I feel, you are all for me. I'm in. And just like that, all I breathe, all I feel, you are all for me. No one can lift me, catch me the way that you do. I'm still falling for you. Brighter than gold, this love shining brighter than gold. This love is like letters in bold. This love is like out of control. This love's never growing old. You make it new. Still falling for you. Still falling for you. It took us a while, 'cause we were young and unsure. With love on the line, what if we both would need more? But all your flaws and scars are mine. Still falling for you, still falling for you, still falling for you. falling for you. Falling, crashing to my arms. Love you like this, like a first kiss, never let go. Falling, crashing to my arms, never breaking what we got. Falling for you, so falling for. And just like
this is our last goodbye. Don't come and find me. So hard to see you cry. Please, somebody blind me. 'Cause I can feel it. I'm still hanging on to every word. My heart is beating, and I'm sorry that I left you hurt. Engine on in time, running for hours. Slowly we twist the night, falling like towers. And I can feel it, and we're running out of hope tonight. I hear you breathing as we're hanging on to you and I. We were kids in love, and then we
stunning views.
Most stressful drive of my life. I enjoyed 0 views. 0. Absolutely 0.
How many head-on collisions do we have? Nearly.
This is probably the most stressful I've ever been on. Not my favorite day. Not my favorite day.
Lost in the stars with all your friends. This life might be out of our hands, but I know that we will meet again. We will meet again. We will meet again. We will meet
Lean on the rock, yes.